Hello my planner pals and welcome back. If you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design and today I'm coming at you with my one little word project for September. So the prompt for September was to document your word and you in photographs. So I have, I think, 4 photos here that I'm cutting down, trimming to size. I've just printed these on photo paper with my home photo printer, which I am quickly falling out of love with. I've mentioned this before, but I need a new printer. This one is terrible. I will never buy a HP printer again. So heads up, there may be a printer review coming at some point, but yeah, I just don't like that printer. So I'm just putting 2 of the photos back to back. My plan is to just get these done, punch the holes in and get it done. So I have these like 4 photos. I'm just trying to figure out what pattern paper I'm going to put on the facing side. I found this very funky blue, red, yellow, green paper, and it just had some of the colors that were in my photo. And you'll see here that I planned on using the larger photo as my main photo. And you'll see me later make a mistake and punch the wrong holes in the wrong side, which I am prone to do when I'm doing these projects. So I'm just playing with the papers, seeing which ones I want. And I eventually decide, oh, do I want this vellum? Do I want paper? What colors do I want? Again, these are all the little stupid decisions that seem to take forever. But I found the stripy paper that matched the same colors. And I'm just like, yep, that one is fine. Let's just do that. So I back the larger photo with the pattern paper, and I'm just kind of trying to decide, do I want the heavier, like red line at the bottom? Do I want it at the top? Like, where do I want the design? So I'm just trimming this with my scissors. I still have not got my little tiny desktop trimmer yet, but I'm gonna get there. Again, I put the photo on the back. This is my plan this month, was to just be simple. Photos, some word strips, punch the holes and be done. And this is where I punch the holes in the wrong side. And there is a kind of, oh crap moment where I'm like, ah, damn it, I've done that wrong, which is fine. It still works. It's not like it's, quote, wrong. It's just not what I had in mind initially. I wanted the big photo there. So I get another piece of that blue flowery paper and I'm putting that as my other facing page. So I've got the other 2 little photos that they've already been attached back to back. I'm going to put some holes in for those. And then I'm just like, I don't know what to do. So again, if all else fails, just mount the paper. Just get some sticker paper, get some pattern paper, just get the stuff down and make a start. Like, rather than being paralyzed by, I don't know what to do, just make a start. So I put the pattern paper onto the cardstock, again, punching the holes, and this time I can use the hole punch. So punching the holes, I've got 2 little photos, like to turn. Do I want the vellum? I don't think I do. I think it's too dark. And then I go and I go into my embellishments is what I would call. I have a big stack of embellishments and I was going to use this tag. I think it has something about telling your story. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to put a journaling card on there. It's just got a quote on it. Simple quote. And the quote says, in case you can't read it, the quote says, happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. And it was just a little quote that I wanted. And again, just trying to make things easier this month for myself as I get back into creating videos and everything. I just need to take some of the pressure off and just get things done. Short, sweet, simple, done. Done, done, done. I've got a little journal card there that said, good things take time. That is from the Ali Edwards Good Kit. And then the Good Enough, it's like a little postcard. That was from the Good Kit as well. I bought that last year and I'm just getting around to using bits. There's some little word strips. They were also from the Good Kit from Ali Edwards. So I'm putting some word strips in. The word strips, all of them say, good times ahead, focus on the good, pay attention to the good things, may good things find you, good places, something good, feeling good, and good not great. And the photos, they're really just photos of me this month so far. So as you know, Cosmo had his surgery and then he got his cone off and I got my life back. So I've got me in my craft room doing crafty things, me back at the gym, and then me in the spare room doing yoga. So on the little postcard thing, I planned on doing some journaling. So I'm just going to do some lines and try and do some, quote, straight line journaling. And I do, in the end, use a couple of pens. I've got the Fudenosuke and the Kuretake pen that I end up using. So I put on that little journaling card, the September prompt was to take time to document our word in photographs. This month, I just decided not to overthink it. Choose a handful of photos, some word strips, and call it done. This is how good is showing up for me right now. And on the back side is where I use mostly the Kuretake pen. It's actually like a Chinese, I think it is, calligraphy pen. And I've just put in like weird, different size writing and stuff. Finally back to my routine, playing with planners, making videos and creating again. Gym workouts, good food, our anniversary, sushi lunch. Planning Q4 content, working on my iPad, taking time for yoga and stretching at the gym. And I've put procreate and cool attempts because all of those are things that are good right now. And that is something that I'm thinking of doing, quote, doing in 2025, is literally just putting a postcard, because this is just the size of a postcard, in there and doing this same thing. One side will be just journaling, and then the other side, how in 1 or 2 words has my word shown up that month. And that is my one little word done for September. I'm looking forward to the next 3 months because I know that December will be, you know, the end of the year recap and all of that. So I know what that prompt will be. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing what the October and November prompts will be. I have a feeling one of them will be about gratitude and stuff like that, but we'll see. We'll see what they are, but I'm interested to see how this progresses over the next few months because I'm already thinking about 2025 words already. So that is my one little word project for September. Again, just a little flip through. I've got my title page, 4 photos with little word strips on them, a journaling card, and calling it done. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!